Well, hello beauties. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, myself Urvashi, and I make videos on beauty and makeup and skincare and whatever you like, tell me, I will make it. So today in this video, we are going to learn how to do this look that I'm showing right now. A very light coverage on the face, some pink lips and eyeliner. So without wasting time, let's get started with the video. And please like, comment and subscribe if you like my video. Let's go ahead and do it. So the very first step is to moisturize and take care of the skin. So I'm going to apply a serum. It's from Biotic. So if you haven't watched my previous video, it's all about skincare, so please watch it, because for light coverage makeup you need to have better skin, so try to take care of skin. Next step, I'm gonna take my Biotic moisturizer and a little bit teensy amount of liquid highlighter that I have, because this highlighter has a little sheen to it. It doesn't have any glitters, that's why. Okay, don't use highlighter that has glitter. And then I'm gonna use a few drops or a little amount of Wet n Wild concealer that I have. If you have a foundation, you can use a little drops of foundations, whatever you wanna use. I prefer concealer because it matches my skin tone and the undertones of my skin, my face better than the foundation that I have. So I prefer this. I'm gonna mix it very nicely and put all the little drops all over my face, and I'm gonna put more on my cheek and chin, and a little amount of the product what we have made ourselves on our neck, and a very little amount on my forehead. And I don't like using a lot of it on my forehead because it cakes up. Okay, so I'm gonna take my blending brush and blend as every time I say. So you're gonna see the drastic difference on my face after blending this. It's gonna give a very light shine. And why don't you go and like the video? If you have come this far, just go and like the video. Thank you. And now I keep on blending. You can see the little sheen on my face, the littlest amount of coverage I get, but it makes my skin look really flawless. I have flaws. Oh, we all have, girl. Then I'm gonna take my concealer, Wet n Wild concealer, amount under my eyes and on my eyelids, and I'm gonna blend it to filth. We all know blending your concealer and foundation is very much necessary, but in this video you are seeing that I am using very light and feathery strokes on my face with the brush, because this mixture whatever we have made is very light, so I don't want the coverage to go all away while blending. So I'm using very light and feathery strokes. Just mix it, and then I'm gonna take my liquid highlighter again, and I'll put a few drops on this temple and my what you call that, highlighting bone, the whatever cheekbone we have, we highlight that. I like that when the sun hits, it looks beautiful. So because this highlighter has a little sheen to it, that's why I like using it under my powders, so it gives the healthy glow. So I'm using on both the sides and a little bit on my nose and on my chin. So how's your 2020 going? Mine is like pretty nice, not that bad. So now I'm gonna take my cream blush. It's a lipstick. It's very light lipstick, so I use it as a blush sometimes. And as you can see, I'm using my liquid and cream products before setting my face with powder, because I want them to blend with the foundation nicely. I don't want them to be sitting on the powder, so that's good. Now I am going, after blending all that blush and the highlighter, I'm gonna use the powder, compact powder I have from Lakme. I don't know, ages ago I bought it, and it's broken. Not broke, I'm broke. So it's broken already. So I'm gonna set my face using the compact powder, and it takes away all the greasiness from the cream we have used, and the foundation if you are using it, just takes away all the greasiness. And now I'm going to take this very cheap 70 rupee powder from 70 rupees powder from my nearby store. It's what powder, what's its name? I'm gonna put it in the description box. It's very famous. So I'm gonna take a little amount of it and take the booty of my blender. It's not a beauty blender, but it's a sponge. It's a very cheap sponge from Paltan Bazaar, Dehradun. So I bought it. So I'm gonna take the powder on that booty, on the flat surface, if you will say, and then I'm gonna bake under my eye because I'm not using a very heavy amount of concealer or foundation. That's why I'm baking, so it brightens my under eyes. Then I'm gonna do my brows. Yeah, so I love bold and out there making their presence happen in the world brows. I don't care what people think. I like bold brows. I don't care. So now I'm going to take this powder. This product has a little it's a little bit waxy, but it's more of a powder, so it gives the fluffy effect. When I go for all that snatched look, I use the pencils and stuff, but when I'm using I'm going for a daily wear look and I'm going for a lightweight makeup look, then I use this kind of product, this powder product. So it's very nice. It's make your eyebrows look fluffy. It doesn't look that your eyebrows don't look that snatched or like too much there. They look like blended with the light amount of coverage you have on your face and everything. So it doesn't look that much. It just goes with the look. Whereas if you use pencils, they look a little too much there, you have seen those people. So I'm gonna take a spoolie and just blend it, and look my eyebrows, they look perfect now. This is the eyeliner step. I hate it. I don't do eyeliners that much because it takes ages for me to like perfect both the sides, both the wings. So here most of the image or most of the video I have cutted because the mirror was on my face. So now I'm taking blush. You all know how to do your eyeliner, so just do the way you want to do. Don't go very wingy and very heavy with the liner. Now I'm taking blush. This is the powder blush I have from Deborah Milano. I bought it from like Jabong, I guess. So I'm taking a fluffy brush and doing my blush, very little amount. Now I'm dusting off the bake. I was cooking and baking under my eyes. Now I'm taking that and dusting that away. So you can see just very light feathery strokes. Don't go too hard. Don't move all the products. Just move the little amount of powder. Now I'm going to take the bronzer. And if you don't have a bronzer, you can like buy a very cheap face compact, 2 or 3 shades darker than you. So it will work as a bronzer. So this bronzer, I'm not gonna do too much sculpting and stuff. I'm just gonna like warm up my face around the perimeters of my face and a little bit of like here and there to give color to my face. And now I'm going to just put some bronzer on my eyelids. Why, if you ask? Because after applying the concealer, my eyes have become like flat. My eyelids are looking flat, so I'm going to give some depth to them by applying some of the bronzer on the crease. So in the crease, and I'm going to like try to plump up my lips a little bit by giving the shadow effect under the lips, under the lower lip, so it just plumps your lip a little bit. Next step is the highlighter. I just love highlighter. So this palette I have from ages. This is the MAC Ellie Golding. I don't know from where I got. I just have it. So wherever I travel, I take it with me. So this palette has a shade which is like very champagne-ish, yellowish shade, and suits my skin very much. And I just take a like flat brush, not too big, not too small, and just do all that highlighting on my cheekbones. And I'll take the same shade and I'm going to do like inner corners of my eyes, because that wakes you up, that makes your eyes look more awakened. And I'm doing this with a very tiny, teeny, teensy, weensy brush. You don't want to go like all over you, like around your eyes and stuff. Just keep it concentrated in that inner corners. Okay, now I'm gonna take the pinkish eyeshadow that I have it that's there, and I'm gonna just like, it works as a blush topper, you know. It just gives a little sheen to the cheeks, you know. And I like this palette a lot. You can invest in this kind of palette. You don't need to buy all the blush and stuff and highlighter. Just buy a palette that has a little pink stuff and a little shiny stuff that works as the highlighter and blush, so you don't have to buy highlighter and blush separately. Now I'm gonna do mascara and this very dangerous looking device. I'm gonna curl my lashes. I'm curling them, and don't go too near your eyelids. It's gonna hurt. It definitely hurts. I know, I can tell. I'm gonna take my do or die, ride or die, whatever you call, my all-time favorite Hypercurl mascara from Maybelline. I'm gonna curl my lashes. I'm gonna put some mascara on the upper eyelashes and the lower lashes, and coat them. I coat them twice, okay, because I don't like using falsies. I know, I never use them, so they are too heavy for me. I'm gonna take that same highlighter, and I'm gonna take the same shade that I used as highlighter. I'm gonna take that and highlight my brow bone, because that gives a very, very nice and wide and big eye effect. I don't know, it just emphasizes something, I don't know. And then I'm gonna take the lip liner, the red lip liner. You can take any lip liner, whatever color you want to go with, whatever suits your face, whatever suits your skin color, your lip shape. Because I like this shade, so I use this one. You can use pink one or nude one or brown one or like a little wine color. See, we are four sisters, and we both have different taste in lipsticks. Okay, my sister, all of them have like different taste of lipstick colors, so it's different for everyone. Go with the shade that goes with your face, not like what I am applying. And I think red, everyone can flaunt red. I think so. So I'm applying a red lip liner. You can find any lip liner nearby your store. It's not that costly. Or if I say whatever, you can buy any lip liner from anywhere, or you can buy from Snapdeal, Amazon, Flipkart. I mean, there's a lot of cheap makeup out there you can use. Okay, and here we go, the plumpy, fuller looking lips. I did a little bit overlined. I overlined a little bit. And then this is my very favorite liquid lipstick, and it's not that matte. It's like, it gives a velvety effect. It doesn't sucks up all the moisture for my lips. It's a little it's a little moisturizing. And I'm just gonna, like earlier I said, my trick that I just create a little bit of like layer. I just put a little bit layer of the lipstick over my lips. The liner I already applied, and that's it. Now setting spray. Setting spray just melts everything. It is not that important. So that's it. I just spray and just let it dry a little bit. I fan it out. Final result. You can see how drastic, how I started the video looking all disheveled and all the hair and stuff. I did not do anything with my hair. I just unbraided my hair, and I just didn't even like brush my hair. They are just like, I just unbraided my hair and just parted them, and this is the look. This is the final look. As you can see, it's looking flawless. It's not too much there. You can go to a very cute little date with your boyfriend, or first date, or a daytime event, a school college event, or a lunch. So that's it. And there is a video clip of my birthday, so enjoy it, and please like, share, subscribe. So yes, that's that, and please do like, share and subscribe, and comment me if there is any mistake and stuff. I'm totally ready to correct it and do better in my future videos. So see you later, beauties. Bye.